Women have been giving birth for thousands of years, but technology is changing the way moms in labor are monitored. Divine Savior Healthcare in Portage just became the first hospital in Wisconsin to keep tabs on its labor and delivery patients through a smartphone and iPad app.
It was just really comforting knowing that we were being watched 24/7.
Nellie is mom to a 13-year-old daughter, an 11-year-old son, and now to 5-week-old baby boy Mark.
The birthing experience was actually completely different.
During her labor with Mark at Divine Savior Healthcare in Portage, Nellie was hooked up to fetal monitors.
You're seeing the response to the baby and the contractions.
Through a smartphone app called Airstrip OB, Dr. Schulte could monitor her without being in the room.
The fetal strip is monitoring the baby's heart rate and the mother's contraction pattern.
Or in the hospital.
Again, it doesn't decrease your interaction with the patient. You still come over here and do as much as you would normally do, but it just allows you that more connected feeling with your labor patient.
With the app, Dr. Schulte monitors his laboring patients through his smartphone or iPad.
You can see names, if their membranes are intact, how far along in the pregnancy they are, how many pregnancies they've had, their cervical exam.
I didn't even know about the app until I was in labor because I did wait for so long and I was a lot older having this one. It was more comforting knowing that I was being watched.
It's really nice from the standpoint of the physician being in more constant contact with patient care, and from the patient standpoint knowing that, yeah, even though the physician's not here, that he or she would be picking up and kind of monitoring them from various locations.
I don't know how mothers did it before technology. I think in my case, back in the way old days, I probably would have lost him if it wasn't for today's technology.
The Airstrip OB has been cleared by the FDA and meets all HIPAA privacy requirements. The app shows real-time data and no information is stored on the doctor's smartphone or iPad.